I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to archive chats using the ChatGPT mobile app. I'll show you how to archive a single chat, archive all of your chats, and how you can see your archived chats. First, let's walk through the steps to archive a single chat in the ChatGPT mobile app. Step 1. Open the ChatGPT app and then tap the menu icon. You'll see a list of your chats. Step 2. Find the specific chat that you want to archive. Hold your finger against that chat to open a menu and then tap Archive. A window pops up asking if you're sure you want to archive this chat. Step 3. Tap Archive. That specific chat will be archived and removed from your primary chats list. Now let's look at how you can archive all of your ChatGPT chats. Step 1. Tap the menu icon and then tap your profile icon. Step 2. Navigate to the Account section and then tap Data Controls. Step 3. Tap Archive All Chats. A window pops up telling you that all of your chats will be archived. You'll also be notified that this can't be undone, but this isn't entirely true, as you can always go and see your archived chats at any time, and you can unarchive any chats you want to add back to your normal list of chats. Step 4. Tap Confirm to move forward with archiving all of your chats. All of your chats will be archived immediately. And finally, let's walk through the steps to unarchive your ChatGPT chats. Step 1. Tap the menu icon and then tap your profile icon. Step 2. Navigate to the Account section and then tap Archived Chats. You'll see a list of all of the chats you've archived. Step 3. Hold your finger against any of those chats to bring up a menu where you can view that chat, unarchive that chat, and return it to your primary menu or delete it. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.